Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 5, Part A, translate triangle T by the vector 0 and -2. Let us analyse the question. We have a graph, and there are two triangles on it. One is represented by T and other with U. The part A of question is related to the translation of triangle T. First, remember what translation means. A translation is a slide or shift from one position to other. The shape does not turn, flip, or change size. Now let's understand the vector 0, -2. The first value represents the horizontal shift and second value represents the vertical shift. So 0 means there is no horizontal movement. The second figure, -2, means that shape will move 2 units down. So every point of triangle T will move straight down by 2 squares. Let's represent points with red, green and blue colours. The blue point will move from coordinates -2, 1 to -2, -1. The green point will move from coordinates -1, 1 to -1, -1. The red point will move from coordinates -1, 3 to -1, 1. The new translated triangle has the same shape and size as triangle T, but it is now 2 units lower on the grid. So highlighted coordinates of the new translated triangle is our answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.